Welcome to a quick 3-minute technical analysis for C3.AI on July 2nd, 2021. Now, I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own due diligence. So now, to get into the technical analysis, the following pattern occurred in C3.AI stock on July 2nd, 2021 as of 3 p.m. So, as you can see right here, where I just drew the arrow, there's a handle forming, and also right beside it is a cup. And so what they call is this a cup and handle formation, which usually signifies that in the future it's going to go up. So these are daily candlesticks, and also if you notice here on these daily candlesticks that there is a W pattern, and the W pattern also can signify that it's called a double bottom, and it can signify that in the future the stock may go up. And also today, the stock had gone down 5%, as you can see from the chart. The candle is red. So now, the reason I believe that it went down is simply because it's a Friday, and it's a holiday on Monday where the stock market is closed for, I believe, Independence Day. So a lot of times that before a holiday there's a sell-off in the market, and I think short sellers took advantage of this situation. Now, as you can see, the blue line that I have on here is the support level for short term, and it's the 50-day moving average. Now, also today the stock went down, but the volume was, as of at least 3 p.m., the volume was 1.8 million shares, and usually it's almost double that. So when a stock goes down on low volume, it doesn't signify really what most investors believe is going to happen. Now, on the long term and the medium term, I believe that the stock is still going to go up. And I see, as you can see on the left, I'll draw a line here, there's support at this level. So I don't believe that they could drive it down maybe a little bit more, but I don't think it could, based on the fundamentals, which I'll get to in another video. I don't believe that it could be driven down much more than this. I think that it's actually going to continue on an uptrend soon. It would depend on, of course, the macroeconomic environment. Also, if you can see on the left here where I'm drawing the arrow, so there's basically a support at, and I have checking the chart here, about 59.89, and another support level at about 71. So in the middle, I'd say 67, and that's basically the peak that's on the right. This peak right here is about at 67. So these are strong support levels that they've been having trouble driving the stock below that in the past, and I don't think they're going to be able to drive it through that in that far down in the future. Plus, the next support going up, if it does break out, I would say it's going to go to around 78 to 79, and it should have another support there, and then the next one up is around 100. So I have a position in this myself, and a long position, and I'm really bullish on it, and I'm convinced that over the next few months that it's going to go up a lot. And in the long term, I'm going to do another video on fundamental analysis, but I believe it's really undervalued. So with that said, we'll go into the long weekend, and I'm convinced that over the long weekend, that on Tuesday of next week, that there's going to be a lot more buyers. A lot of people just close their position. So I'm personally not worried about this at all. Anyway, have a nice day and a nice weekend.